To install Docker Desktop on your Mac computer, open a browser, then in the address bar type in docker.com and hit enter. Then on the page that's loaded, hover over the download Docker Desktop button, and in the results that appear, choose the download for your computer's CPU architecture. For example, if you've got a newer Mac that has an Apple Silicon M chip, such as M1, 2, 3 or 4, then choose the download for Mac Apple Silicon download. If you have an older Mac, then choose the download for Mac Intel chip download. Once you click on it, it will download Docker Desktop in the form of a DMG file. Once the download is complete, open the downloads folder in Finder, then double click on the docker.dmg file, and in the pop-up that appears, drag the Docker icon to the applications folder, and that will install Docker on your computer. Once installed, you can start Docker Desktop by opening Launchpad, then clicking on the Docker icon. A pop-up will appear warning you that Docker is an app downloaded from the internet and are you sure you want to open it. In this case it's fine because we know it's been downloaded from docker.com over a secure connection. So you can click open and that will open Docker Desktop. Another way to start Docker Desktop is pressing Command and space on your keyboard, typing in Docker and then choosing Docker from the results. You can also configure Docker Desktop. So for example, you can configure it to start automatically when your computer starts. You can configure its resources such as CPU limit, memory limit, swap amount and storage capacity, and there are a bunch of other settings as well. There's some advanced settings, notifications, extensions, software updates and more. So that's it, now you have Docker Desktop on your computer. Also, I will mention that Docker Desktop comes with the Docker Compose command as well. It used to be that you have to install Docker Compose separately, but for quite a while now it comes with Docker Desktop because it's actually a sub-command of the Docker command now rather than being its own separate binary.